BSLK stock analysis and BSLK stock prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Bolt project stock sitting at like 163, 20% down. Now, the main reason why I'm making this video because there was a lot of traction on BSLK yesterday, in which the price at some point of the day was up around, how much was this up? At some point of the day it was as much as like 106% up, but then, you know, it 2x'd in price, but then slowly came back down. I mean, though that was just like a random pump. I was never here to really maybe buy that dip, or no. Like, this is still a pretty bearish market for me, honestly. Like, the only case in which this is not going to be a bearish market for me is going to be if we start really breaking above these highs, really. And we're pretty far away from it, so I'm going to just have this red line pointing towards the downside. Not really valid for a short because there is like no way that I'm going to look for like a 30-minute, 15 or even 5-minute here on this chart for the confirmation, because it's not going to give me it. It's not enough moving. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the photos link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.